Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make real chocolate from cacao beans. It's a fascinating process that transforms these bitter little seeds into delicious chocolate. It all starts with raw cacao beans. You can buy them online or at specialty stores. Look at them. They have this characteristic purple color. Let's preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll spread the beans on a baking sheet and roast for 15 to 20 minutes. The smell is incredible. The beans will turn brown and develop their flavors. Once cooled, we need to remove the husks. I'll crack them roughly, then blow to separate the husks from the cacao pieces, called nibs. Now, into the powerful blender, I'll grind the nibs in small batches. At first, it looks like powder, but let's keep going. Magic. The paste starts forming thanks to the natural oils in the cacao being released. This is called cacao mass, or chocolate liquor. For 100 grams of nibs, I'm adding 80 grams of fine powdered sugar. You can adjust to your taste. Let's keep blending to incorporate it well. Conching is this crucial step where we blend for a long time to develop that silky texture. I'll continue for 10 to 15 minutes with breaks to prevent overheating. For chocolate that snaps properly, we need to temper it. I'll heat the paste to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it to 80 degrees Fahrenheit while stirring, before heating slightly to 88 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's pour the chocolate into molds. Tap well to eliminate air bubbles. If you don't have molds, a tray lined with parchment paper works great. Into the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes. Properly tempered chocolate will crystallize and harden with a beautiful, shiny finish. And there we have it. Our homemade chocolate is ready. Look at that beautiful shine. Listen to that perfect snap. The taste is intense and authentic.